Hello friends, welcome back. Yes, so today's video is going to be all about how to pack your bags while going for any function or a wedding. When I was packing my bag for my niece's wedding, I thought why not do a video on this? Since this is a wedding season and we all have many questions like how to pack our bags, what to carry, and how to organize it. So I thought it would be a perfect time to do a video like this. Packing a bag can be very stressful, especially if we don't know what to do, where to start, and how to pack it. Yes, it can be stress-free with some planning. So let's see what should we do before we start packing our bags. So the very first thing that we should do is take a pen and a paper and write down how many days are you going, how many functions are you going to attend, and accordingly decide on the number of clothes that you need to carry. After that, you need to decide which clothes you will be wearing and for which function. So let us see what do I do. So the very first thing, as I said, when I finalize on what I'm going to wear and for which function or occasion, then I just display them. You display all the clothes according to the number of days or the functions that you'll be attending. Yes, so as you can see, I have displayed all the clothes that I will be needing to carry. Yes, so what you have to do now is you make a set of each clothes. Like if I am wearing this sari for one occasion, so I'll make a set of this with its matching petticoat and blouse. So this is how I will just make one set. If you're wearing a dress, then you need to carry its leggings or a slip that you require, and you make a set of that so that it is there when you need it. So my sets are ready. Now what I do is I usually use this sari covers to keep this. So I keep each set that I will be wearing in each sari covers. So this is how I keep it. So this is how I put all the sets in each of the sari covers, and now I know what I'm going to wear for which function. After this, now I plan what jewelry I'm going to wear on each of this. You keep all the jewelry or the accessories that you will be wearing with this outfit on this first. So let us do that. So now I have displayed all the jewelry that I'll be wearing on each of my outfit. Okay, so now let us see what do we do next. So now what I do next is I use this kind of zip pouches that are available. Okay, so I put each of the jewelry in this kind of pouches. So this is how I will put each and every set in this zip pouches. If the necklace or the earrings are not too big and you can accommodate even the bangles in this, you can put in the bangles also. Yes. So now my jewelry sets are ready. So what I do is I keep them with the dress itself in those covers, sari covers. So you can just put it inside. Yes. So now I know what I'm going to wear at the function and the jewelry that I'll be wearing on it. So this is sorted. So what's next? Next is your hair accessories. If you're planning to have any special hairstyle with your outfits, then you need to carry them. For example, I'll be making a bun on one of my saris, so I'll be carrying that with me. So let us do that. I'm planning to use this zip pouch to keep my hair accessories, since I like this because those are transparent and you can see what's there in this, so it's easy for me to locate things. So these are some extra clips and safety pins, sari pins. There are so many things that you need to carry, so I'll just put them in one pouch so that I have access to them easily. So my hair accessories is ready. Yes, so we are done with our dress. We know what we are going to wear, the jewelry that we are going to wear, what hairstyle we'll be having. Yes, now the next is the bag or the handbags that you will be carrying with each of your outfit. Yes, I usually use a golden clutch that goes with most of my saris. So I carry this golden clutch with me. So this is what I'll be taking. So then saris like this where golden color handbags will not go on this, so I'll carry some other color handbag with this. So usually I use this kind of pouches whenever I'm wearing a sari. It is very convenient that I can keep my mobile and keep some money in this. So during the function I don't want to carry my bag or slings or clutches, which becomes very inconvenient. So this is the best option that I always find. It has a clip like this, which you can put it on your sari, so it can go here on your waist. So it's very convenient and I love this. So I usually prefer to carry this with me. I have two colors, one is silver and one is golden, which usually goes on all of my saris. So this is a definite thing that is going to go in my bag. So we are done with our clothes, our jewelry, hair accessories, handbags that we are going to carry. Yes, now what? So your footwear. So now you need to plan what footwear you're going to wear on which outfit. So mine is done. I'm going to wear this and this. So this will go in a bag. Now I know what I'm going to wear for which function. This is really going to make my process of getting dressed very stress-free. So now the most important thing that we have forgotten to pack for we women is our makeup products. Yes. So what you can do is you can have a pouch wherein you keep all your products that you need for your makeup. So this is my kit. So now, yes, I think I don't need to tell you all that there are other things like your towel, your toiletries, the innerwears that you need to carry. So yes, we are done with what we need for the wedding or any function that we are going. So now let us pack our bag. So here we are, our bag is packed. So now when I go, I don't have to worry about what I'll be wearing, where to find it, and no tension, no worries. I just have to pick the set. Okay, this set has everything, my sarees, my jewelry that goes with it, everything that I would be wearing for a particular function is there in this. So I don't have to search anywhere. My bag will not be messy because I'll be pulling out clothes during the functions and then just stuffing it in. No more of this. I will just pick up one bag and that's done. I don't have to do anything. So this is very simple. We all can do this and be well prepared for any function or a wedding that we are going to attend. Yes friends, so our bag is packed and this is how you can pack your bag while going for any function or a wedding. And friends, do not forget to pack your smile with this, because any outfit or anything you wear will not look nice on you until you have this smile on your face. Yes, that's a very important jewel that you need to carry with you. So please do not forget to pack your smile and enjoy your wedding or any function that you are attending. Thank you everyone for watching this. If you've liked my video, please do not forget to share it with your friends. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. Thank you very much. Bye.